Right. So I often hear, I want to launch a course, but I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. I'll bet at this stage you've already had a couple of conversations as a coach or consultant or whatever you might do with clients, with prospects, with friends, with family. And in the back of your mind, you've probably already started working out what some of the pain points are, the challenges, the struggles, things like that. Now, what would happen if we just expanded that set of data? What would happen if we could start looking at the data and saying, oh, you know what, I thought everyone was struggling with this problem or this challenge here, but actually it turns out that about 65% of people were struggling with this. And then I would say, well, can you create a course on that? To which you would say, yeah, I probably can. That's the first step. That's it. It's not complex. It's just finding the trends, the insights, the data, and working out, can you create a course to solve that problem? That's a great starting point, the best starting point. Have an awesome day.